Hey Jeep owners! This is a short video on how to get your original build sheet for your Jeep or Chrysler vehicle. Please excuse the watermark, it's for a website I have. This is a gem of a website, and allows you to see exactly what your vehicle had when it was built in the factory. Unsure of what traction control you have? Do you really have auto dimming lights? This will tell you, and it's really simple to use. Simply go to this website address. I've listed it in the description so you can simply click on it rather than type it in. Then, simply enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, into the search box and click search. Some magic will happen in the background and you'll then be presented with your original build or fitting sheet for your car. Here is a complete list of equipment and fittings for my Jeep Commander, but the site should work on Fiat, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. It really does list everything and is great for getting to know your car better. You can see that I have the QT2 drive system, as opposed to the QD2. This is a common question as it's not always obvious by looking at the vehicle itself to see which one you have. That's why having a build sheet can be really useful. It also shows optional equipment that was fitted to the vehicle. It's funny how the engine, brakes and suspension components are all listed as optional extras. I'm not sure they are. That's it, you now have a complete build sheet for your car. I'd print this out while you have it and include it with your vehicle's paperwork. It is always useful to have. Hopefully this video has been useful to you, and you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe if you like. I plan to do one video per week based around the Jeep Commander. Thank you for watching.